Sometimes you climb out of bed in the morning and you think, I'm not going to make it, but you laugh inside, remembering all the times you felt that way. Do you hate people? I don't hate them. I just feel better when they're not around. We're all going to die. All of us? What a circus. That alone should make us love each other, but it doesn't. We are terrorized and flattened by trivialities. We are eaten up by nothing. The problem with the world is that the intelligent people are full of doubts, while the stupid ones are full of confidence. That's the problem with drinking. I thought, as I poured myself a drink, if something bad happens, you drink in an attempt to forget. If something good happens, you drink in order to celebrate. And if nothing happens, you drink to make something happen. An intellectual says a simple thing in a hard way. An artist says a hard thing in a simple way. Some lose all mind and become soul. Insane. Some lose all soul and become mind. Intellectual. Some lose both and become accepted. I loved you like a man loves a woman he never touches, only writes to, keeps little photographs of. The free soul is rare, but you know it when you see it, basically because you feel good, very good, when you are near or with them. Boring damned people all over the earth, propagating more boring damned people. What a horror show. The earth swarmed with them.